Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you the normal face unlock and faster face recognition tests. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make first 5 tries to unlock the device with the normal face unlock, and then I'll make the second 5 tries with the faster face recognitions, and we'll see the difference in time between them with the help of the stopwatch. So just let's start. Okay, I'll turn off the faster face recognition. So now the faster recognition is turned off, and let's make the first 5 tries. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 4 seconds. This is the really good result for the face unlock, for the normal face unlock. And now let's just activate the faster recognition. So faster recognition is activated, and 5 and 4. So let's reset it, and let's use the faster recognition here. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do it once again. So 5 and 4, and now just let's use it one more time. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 5 and 4. So just the 0.7 milliseconds, so the difference between it, but we can see that the faster recognition works a little bit faster. So just this is it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.